Good morning, children. So today again our class, exercise class. But today, other than our physical exercises, we have learned till today. We have learned the physical exercises. So today we will learn some exercise for our eyes. So nowadays, most of the time, you are becoming busy with the computer screen. You are staring at the computer screen, mobiles, etc. TV, and you are staying at home, and most of the time you are spending with the electronic things like this, and you are straining your eyes. So today I will tell you some exercises how to relieve the strain of your eyes. Some exercises we'll do today so that you don't face any problem to relax your eyes. You see, whenever you are staring at computer for a long time, your eyes are tired and you keep rubbing your eyes, and your eyes becomes red and irritable, and sometimes you may need to put eye drops. But today I think these exercises will definitely help you, and I think you will not need any eye drop to relieve your eyes, so that your eyes muscles will also become strong. So let us start with some exercises. So first exercise we can relax our shoulders and keep our head look in front, look ahead with the neck straight. And first exercise, that will be rolling of the eyeballs. So you have to see and listen to me carefully how you have to do. First of all, you have to start rolling the eyeballs in the clockwise direction 5 times, and in the anti-clockwise 5 times. So these exercises you can repeat 3 complete cycles. Okay. So first we have to rotate like this in the clockwise direction. Now in the anti-clockwise direction. So these exercises will help you to make your eyes flexible. And now second exercise. Second exercise is eye flexing exercises. These exercises can be done to make the eyes flexible. We can take the help of a pen. So we can focus on the tip of the pen and look in front like this. We will take the pen up without moving our neck. Look up, look down. Focus on the tip of the pen. Again up, down. Like this we can do 10 repetitions, up and down. And next will be move the pen, but don't move your neck. Move only your eyeballs and look to the pen towards the right side without moving your neck. Now bring it forward simultaneously. Your eyes will be focusing on the pen. Then now look towards the other side without moving neck. Now move the eyeballs along with the tip of the pen. Bring it to the front. This way you can do 10 times to the left, 10 times to the right, 10 times to the up, and 10 times down. And next, bring the pen to the tip of your nose and focus on the tip of the pen. Take the pen away from your body and concentrate on the tip of the pen there. Focus on the pen there, and then bring it close. Again, away, again close. Like this 10 times up, down, 10 times to the sides, 10 times near and far, and this whole cycle you repeat 3 times. The second exercise. Now we'll go for the third exercise, and third exercise is pressing the eye. This will also definitely relax your eye muscles. When your eyes must be very tired, that time what you have to do is you have to take a deep breath, relax, look in front, look ahead, close your eyes. With your index finger, take the index finger to your eyelid and give a light pressure on your eyes for 10 seconds. You can count 10 in your mind, then same thing can be repeated with your left index finger to the left eyelid. 10 counts, for that means 10 seconds. Like this you can repeat the exercise for 10 times both the eyes. Now you can open your eyes. Then, so this is the third exercise. Now we'll go for the fourth exercise. Fourth exercise will be the blinking exercise. Generally what happens, whenever you are constantly staring at the computer screen or the mobile or TV, you generally forget to blink your eyes. You don't remember to blink your eyes because you were so much immersed in looking at the TV program or whatever you are looking at. You are playing a game in the mobile or whatever. You forget to blink your eyes, and that is harmful for your eyes. And that will make your eyes dry and cause problems. It can cause redness in your eyes, and it can make your eyes irritable. So we have to do an exercise for that. For that, what we have to do is we have to sit comfortably and blink our eyes. We have to close our eyes and don't open it for at least 30 seconds. So for 30 seconds we can count 30 from in our mind, and after 30 seconds we can open our eyes, but keep quiet and keep your eyes closed, and it is definitely very relaxing. Open your eyes, and then again you can close your eyes. Keep it closed for 30 seconds and open your eyes. Like this you can do 3 repetitions, and next will be like a game for you, that is bouncing your eyeballs. In this exercise what you have to do is you have to imagine that your eyeballs are like bouncing balls, bouncing up and down, up and down. Same way you have to consider your eyeballs and you have to look up and down as fast as you can 10 times, then give 2 seconds break and again do 10 times, 2 seconds break, again do 10 times. That is 3 repetitions. You have to, this exercise you can do both with the closed eyes or open eyes. When you are doing with closed eyes, sometimes it is always very beneficial. It has more effects. You can, your eyes will be lubricated and your eye muscles will be exercised and relaxed. And this way you have to do it fast, 10 times up, down. Look up, look down, look up, look down, but don't move your neck. This way you have to do 10 times, 3 repetitions. This is called bouncing of the eyeballs. You have to imagine that your eyeballs are like bouncing balls. And next, we'll go for another exercise, that is massaging of eyes, eye massaging. You know that massaging is great for your body muscles. It gives a lot of relief and relieves your body muscles. Same way, your eyes also needs massage. So we have to do it. We have to make use of index finger and the middle finger, and we have to keep it on our eyes. Remember that when you are doing eyes massage, your right eyes, it will go clockwise, it will move in a circular manner clockwise, and left one in a circular manner anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. And after some time, you can, after 10 repetitions, you can just switch off the direction of each eye and just do the opposite. That is also 10 times. So you can start doing. Move it in a circular manner, and one side clockwise, other side anti-clockwise. After 10 times, switch off the direction of each eye, and now again change the direction and do it for 10 times. So after this exercise, we can go for another eye exercise, that is called palming. Palming. This is a very relaxing exercise. You will definitely find the difference. You will rub your palms, make it warm, and then either you keep it directly or make use of a table. Keep the elbow on the table and then cup your eyes. Keep it there like this for at least 2 minutes. Now open your eyes. Again rub. Make it warm. And cup your eyes with your palms. Cover your eyes with your palms. Now we can go for the next exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to make use an imaginary walk, that your wall is in front of you and you have to imagine that you are writing a letter with your eyes, with your eyeballs, making use of your eyeballs. This is a figure of 8. This figure of 8, if it is rotated sideways, this figure will look like this. With your movement of the eyeballs, you have to trace the figure of 8 with your eyes. You will take your eyeballs up, then down, then eyeballs up, then again down, then up, then down. That means you will sit 10 feet away from the blank wall. Wall is 10 feet away from me. If I am sitting here, I will imagine and trace the figure. Trace this figure with my eyeballs, making use of my eyeballs. So do it. I will try to do, I make the movement of the eyeballs in this manner. Up, down, and write this with my eyes. And I will not make movement of my neck. Then this exercise I will do for some time. Then same time I will imagine a blank wall in front of me. I will sit 10 feet away from it and I will write some invisible words with the help of my eyes. Suppose I want to write joy. I will imagine that I am writing joy, J-O-Y, joy, on the blank wall with the help of my eyeballs. That means I will try to make the movement of my eyeballs to write the letter I am thinking on the imaginary wall, on the blank wall. Then another exercise that is we have to remember whenever we are becoming busy with computer or mobile, we have to remember that every 20 minutes, this exercise we can say 20-20-20 exercise. That means every 20 minutes we need to take a break and look at any object far 20 feet far away and keep staring at that object 20 feet far away for 20 seconds. That will definitely be a break for our eyes and the eyes will be relieved. 20 minutes I will stare at an object away for 20 seconds. For 20 seconds I will know, I will simply count 20 in my mind and I will observe it for 20 seconds and then I will again come back to my work or I will again do the computer work or work on my mobile. So these are exercises. There are many other exercises for the eyes, but I think if you do this many exercises only, you can relieve your eyes, you can relieve your tired eyes, and these exercises are definitely going to help to relax your eye muscles. Hope you will try to do it in between your online classes and you will take care of your eyes and keep your eyes healthy. Thank you all.